Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, here with the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 7th of June 2015. So to kick it off this week, we've got AN, Aussie New Zealand dollar up on the charts, and as you can see last week we came pretty close to the supply that I've got marked up. Let's have a look. We were just 25 pips away, but price has already fallen away. So I've still got it marked up. We'll see what happens. This demand is looking better to me at the moment because I don't really like how prices come into this level. So probably I'd want to see price fall away and then come back up with pure green candles before looking at a short there. Either that or maybe looking at shorts below here. And let's just put this on in different color. Okay, yeah, so I probably want to see shorts below there potentially. So next up we have CAD yen, and we're looking at this supply, one we've looked at before, but price made a very strong move upwards at the end of last week, so it looks like it is heading up towards this level. Still a good distance away, but definitely one to be aware of now that we're on the way back to it. So let's move on to Euro Pound. So we had a trade from this level, one of these levels before, I think it was this one. Price has dropped down and it has created this level. We've got a nice rally away. Price has started to make a move back down. So if that continues with red candles only, then I'll be looking for a bounce from this demand. And I've got the supply marked up, but we're much closer to this demand at the moment. Okay, so EJ, Euro Yen, we have a supply level here. Small base, not the greatest move away, and price did come back and test it before falling, but price has come up nicely into the level, and we've had two down days. Although this one is more of a doji, but it would be nice to see price fall down through this profit zone. Nothing but green candles there, so it should have an easy time going down if indeed it does want to. Failing that, then we've got this other supply up here. But yeah, I'm watching for entries on the lower time frames for a short at the moment. Sticking with the euro, let's look at euro dollar. So we did have this demand level marked up previously, and price did rally up from there as expected. We actually took a short from around this area in the members area. A few guys spotted it on the forum. We took a short from there, and now price is heading back down to this level here. So we've had another demand level. We had this one down here, we trade long from. Then we had this one, and now we've got this demand level as well. Price has been coming down with red candles. If that continues, then we could have a long trade back up through. So we'll see what happens with that. Let's move on to the pounds then. This is GJ pound yen. Now this is a level set a long time ago, back in 2008. So this line here, that is current price, and let's have a look how far away we are. Just 250 pips away from this supply level. Now if I zoom to where we are now, yeah, we are, yeah, that's the situation. So we've got green candles at the moment. If that continues up into this level, then we could have a nice short on with confirmation, of course. Now pound dollar, so we've had that fall away. This level still hasn't been hit yet. Price has been coming down, and we've still got a few pips away before it reaches down there. So this is still on the radar. Okay, last but not least then, so look at dollar CAD. Yeah, same level from last week. Price hasn't hit it yet, but it's still within range. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's only 150 pips away. So these are the main pairs that I'm watching for long-term opportunities. Until next time, happy trading, guys.